how to fix screen not responding to touches on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not let us update your software, latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.